Hello guys, this is a behind the scenes video of filming a recipe video. So I'll be prepping some of the ingredients I'll use in the recipe. I'll be making some tasty, no oven baked flaky chips today. So prepping some of your ingredients helps you save a lot of time when filming your recipes. So here I'm saving some flour. So guys, this is the no oven baked chips recipe I made. You can check it out. It came out so well. So I decided to make this recipe because a couple of people said they didn't have an oven to try the oven version of the flaky chips. Next, I will weigh my margarine. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hello there, I'm Efua and you are welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Guys, if you would like to start food content creation, check out the food blogging starter pack and also how to film YouTube videos on your phone. The links are in the description box. Guys, so as I said earlier, I'm making a no oven baked version of the flaky chips and I'll use the salt method. Next, I will cut some parchment paper to line my baking pans. Guys, if you would like to see more behind the scenes videos, let me know in the comment section, okay? Watch the Ghanaian pastries playlist next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.